the blue one, wow, or the pink one. The sound is disappointing. 3, 2, 1. So now it's time to start the drive inside the new C43 AMG, guys. You will be all joining with me inside the new AMG. Just look at the light animation. It's not that clear since we don't have a clean surface in front of us, but I will be also demonstrating you that in the night, because today we will be doing a C43 Mercedes-AMG 2023 model C43 night drive. Not a normal drive, a night drive. It's, I think, something, it's midnight already. It's time to experience this in brand new AMG in the night. So first things first, let me just start the ignition. And something that I really like is watch the steering wheel buttons. You see that? The new AMG animation for the steering wheel buttons. Also the new design. I really like them a lot. So here we also have the key. If you want to see the full walk around video, just check the info box above. But today will be all about driving this car. I've also set the ambient color to red, but I will be changing it later on. I put the seatbelts on, which are also red. I love red seatbelts. I really like them. Let me just start the engine for you now. Just before we start, we have a 300 kilowatt, 408 horsepower, 2-liter, 4-cylinder AMG engine. This is exactly the same engine as we have inside an A45 or CLA 45. And this is the new generation, the strongest 4-cylinder that we will be also finding inside the new C63. But here we have just the light version, the C43, the entrance AMG. We have a belt-driven starter generator supporting the engine with another 14 horsepower, 10 kilowatts. And I really have to mention it, there's also new gas-electric turbocharger. It's so difficult to spell. I'm sorry, but I will just put the name here. Okay, let's just focus on the drive. Let me set the car first into Sport Plus, and then we will be leaving this underground garage. But first we have to start up in an emotion start, Mr. Benz way. 3, 2, 1, listen. Okay, but we will be focusing on the sound later on, and I will be giving you my personal opinion. We are right now in France, in Colmar. Extremely beautiful, but it's rainy as always when we attend to any press trips. It's still red. There we go, it's green. Now we can go. Oof. Leaving the underground garage right now. Super tight. There we go. And now just look at the way we still have light, and now when we move to the outside, full darkness, and we have the ambient color. Wow, it's just beautiful. So we are starting the drive right from my hotel. Today we will be enjoying it. I already set the ambient color to red, guys, but yeah, I mean, if you want to change it, you have 64 different colors. My favorite color is this one and the blue one. Wow. Or the pink one. Let me just find it for you. Yeah, which one do you prefer, guys? The pink, the blue, or the red? I will be keeping it full red. That's not red. I said red. There we go. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Performance wise, this really drives like a C43. It's fast. Yes, we have the 4MATIC system, which is extremely advanced. It's pushing you forward, even though it's not a 63, keep that in mind. But the sound is disappointing. Yes, I just said it. It's disappointing. Let me just... Do you hear the sound? It's always the same sound. Can you even hear it? It's always the same sound. It's literally the same. Downshift. Also, you have a lot of fake sound in the inside. I mean, it's not a fake sound. They've placed microphones or something next to the exhaust to deliver more natural sound in the inside. So yeah, it is fake, obviously, but it's not fake in a way as if it would give you a fake sound of non-existent sound. But this sound is existing, but it's not that loud actually. It just gets more louder throughout the speakers in the inside, which I'm not a fan of, guys. I really don't like it. Look, I'm downshifting. No, it's not. It's not. This is not what I want to hear when I think about a C43. This is not a C43. Let me just tell you something. People always say 43s and 53s are no AMG, and I'm a person that's always against that argument. I love the 43s and I love the 53s. They're extremely underrated. The sound is extremely nice. I love the sound of the 53 43s, and they are really good daily drivers. This car is driving very good. The performance is also super advanced for a 43 model, but when we talk about the sound, in my eyes, this is not what I expected. I'm just being honest at this point. Look, this car, the exterior is the 10 out of 10. The interior is a 15 out of 10, but the sound is a -4. I'm not a fan. Guys, how do you like it? Please share your opinions in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. I would love to hear your opinions. So I'm now here on the Autobahn. Let me just do a race start. It's completely empty. 3, 2, 1. How do you guys like it? It's completely fake in the inside with the woo 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 woo. But yeah, please leave your opinions in the comment section below. I'm really looking forward for it. I'm kind of disappointed because there's one single fact. If this is the sound of the 43, what will the 63 sound like? And this is my final words to finish it off with this C43. Guys, wish you an amazing day or an amazing night. Looking forward to see you all again. Hope to see you next time, guys. I will be back.